Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I'll show you how to change Microsoft Outlook password. Go to your Outlook account. From the top left, click File. Then beside Account Setting, you can see there is a link to your profile. Click there. If you don't have Outlook apps, just go to Outlook from web browser, then log into your account. Now from the top right corner, you can see there is a profile icon. Click there. Then go to My Microsoft account. Now you can see there is change password option. Click there. Now write your current password, then new password, then again new password. Then click save. That's how you can change your Microsoft Outlook password. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.